Five red ducklings walk in a line, waddling and quacking, feeling fine. Here come blue ducklings, bright and new. Let's be friends, they shout, quack quack too. Waddle, waddle, splash and play, red and blue friends every day. Learn your colors, sing along with this happy duckling song. They danced in a circle, spun around, feet went waddle and tails went bounce. Then yellow ducklings came with a cheer. We wanna dance and play right here. Red ducklings, blue ducklings, yellow too. Waddling together just like you, dancing, splashing, having fun. Dancing, splashing, having fun. Duckling friends for everyone. To the pond they marched in a row. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go! Into the water, what a big splash! Feathers flying, a giggly bash.